Ooh.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diana, and if you're new here, welcome to the family. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for dropping by for yet another exciting video, and I'm really excited about this. If you are rocking with my content all through these hair videos, I'm really grateful for you all for supporting me through all this back to back content. And today I'm coming with you with another unit from Myfirstwig, and this is a very beginner friendly wig to work with. It's a bob unit, and yeah, this is how I've been able to achieve this look. Shout out to Myfirstwig for sponsoring this video. I'm really happy with my unit. It's very easy. They have a manual whereby you can see everything that you need to do, and if you don't have to style it, you can actually leave it just like that and just flat iron it, or just tongue it if you want any kind of another style. So it all depends with you. So stay tuned and sit down and relax and enjoy. Okay, let's get straight into the video. This is how the package came looking like. I love the package, and let's read. This is their website, Myfirstwig, and then this is their social media platform. There's the Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. So this is a beginner friendly wig company. So yeah, Myfirstwig. It also came with this holder to hold your hair, and this is so cute. This is very thoughtful. So first thing first, this bag where you have two clips. You have these two clips, will help you to hold your hair when you're installing it, and then a rattle comb. This is it, and then inside also you have a wig cap which is dark, and then there's this manual where it shows you everything that you need to know about installing the hair. There's the steps on how to install the lace wig. There's also this part where it shows how you can maintain and how you can clean and wash and take off. So this is how it came looking like with this bag. I love the texture of this hair. It's really soft. Like, it's so soft. Let me show you the lace. This is how the lace is looking like. And then inside has this two comb, and if you can see very well, the lace is bleached. You don't have to bleach it again, and it has this to secure your wig. See, that's the texture of this hair. I love it. And then look at that. I love this hairline. Like, look at that hairline. It's pre-plucked already, so I don't have to do anything. Oh god, they made it easier for me. Very easy for a beginner. Like, you can just start from here. You don't have to do anything. I love this. Okay,
My breath unraveling emotions. Need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you.
look at that.
I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I
today I'm not even going to do baby hairs because this hairline looks really perfect. I don't have to do baby hairs on this unit. Let's just look at this place. Look at that side. Just look at this. It has melted to the gods. I love the lace. I love this lace so much. Let's go ahead and style the hair. I love this hairline so much. Like, it looks like my real hair. I love it.
And shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you, so last thing I know. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather.
So I'm doing a half down, half up, half down kind of style, and we're almost there. We're almost there. This hair is so perfect. Like, I can't wait for the results.
I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you.
So guys, we've come to the end of the video. If I have a coupon code, I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna include it in the description down below. I'm gonna include also their website in the description down below. So yeah, make sure to check Myfirstwig on every social media platform, including TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Okay, so yeah, until I see you on my next video, is goodbye.
Got a white boy on my roster, he be feeding me pasta and lobster. He just hit me up on Tuesday, like, what you doing, babe? Let me take you shopping. I told him, well, I'm a little busy. He said, damn, I'm in your city. But anyway, it's okay, hope you have a good day. I'ma see you by day 50. Then I told